Hey folks, fixing to change the oil for the first time, air filters on this Onan generator. Oil fill, oil discharge valve, and air filter. That's what we're gonna change today. But there's one problem you gotta address first. There is the oil drain. And if you can see that frame member right underneath it, who wants to drip oil straight out of their generator onto the frame? So I'm gonna have to re-engineer this with a longer piece of tubing so I can get the oil to drip not all over this frame rail. My plan is to zip tie that to it. Let's see if I can make this work. So I just actually didn't even zip tie it. I just slid it over the thing, over the tube, and it stays against the things, against the frame rail. So I'm gonna try that and see how it works. And it's draining nicely. So we'll let that drain out, and I'm gonna try to put the air filter in while the oil's draining out. Looks like just a few clips here, and this housing comes right off. I didn't even film that. That was very easy. All right, back to the oil. The kit I bought came with the oil, the air filter, and this little filter wrench. So we're gonna give that a shot. All right, I got 2 quarts in there, except for what I spilled. I'll let this sit for a sec, and I'm gonna go get something to start trying to clean this up. This is what I got in the kit. I just Amazoned it.